Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's topic is about 6 constipation home remedies. Constipation is a common problem that many people face. It can be uncomfortable and even painful, but luckily, there are some simple things you can do at home to help relieve your constipation. So if you're dealing with this issue, keep watching to learn some easy tips that may help you get back on track to having regular bowel movements. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to support us. Number 1. Drink more water. Drinking a lot of water is the simplest and most important tip to relieve constipation. Water helps to soften the stool and makes it easier to pass. The amount of water you need to drink depends on your age, sex, activity level, and other factors. But in general, aim to drink at least 8 cups or 64 ounces of water per day. You can also try drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning to help stimulate your bowel movements. Number 2. Increase fiber intake. Fiber is an important part of a healthy diet, and it can also help relieve constipation. Fiber adds bulk to your stool and helps it move through your digestive system more easily. To increase your fiber intake, eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. You can also take a fiber supplement, but be sure to drink plenty of water when you do this. Number 3. Exercise regularly. Exercise can help stimulate your bowel movements and make it easier to pass stool. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This could include brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. If you haven't exercised regularly before, start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Number 4. Eat a healthy diet. The foods you eat play a big role in your digestive health. Eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. These foods can all contribute to constipation. You may also want to consider keeping a food diary to see if there are any specific foods that seem to trigger your constipation. Number 5. Get enough sleep. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol. This can slow down your digestion and make it harder to pass stool. Most adults need 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night, so make sure you're getting enough rest. If you have trouble sleeping, practice good sleep hygiene, which includes keeping your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool, and avoiding screen time before bed. You may also want to try relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditation to help you fall asleep faster. Number 6. Don't ignore the feeling. When you feel like you need to go to the bathroom, don't ignore it. This can make your constipation worse. Make sure you have time to sit on the toilet and relax when you feel the urge to go. If you're busy, try to find a quiet place where you can sit for a few minutes. If you're in a public place, make sure to use the restroom instead of waiting until you get home. If your constipation persists, it's important to see a doctor. There may be an underlying medical condition that needs to be treated. So these are 6 constipation home remedies that may help you relieve your symptoms. Try these tips out and see what works best for you. Remember to stay hydrated, eat a healthy diet, and get regular exercise. If your constipation is severe or persistent, don't hesitate to seek medical attention. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe to support us. We wish you good health and a happy life. Until next time.